Did you know a war that killed 8 million people started because 3 men fell out of a window and survived? In 1618, a group of Protestant nobles in Bohemia had finally had enough of Catholic rule, so they grabbed 3 royal officials, dragged them to a castle window 70 feet above the ground, and threw them out. All 3 men hit the ground and walked away. Catholics said God himself had caught them. A miracle, proof that their cause was righteous. Protestants said they landed in a pile of manure. Luck, not God. That argument over a pile of manure helped ignite the 30 Years' War. Armies swept across Europe for 3 decades. Cities burned. Harvests failed. Entire regions lost a third of their population. By the time it ended in 1648, roughly 8 million people were dead. New borders were drawn. The power of religion over politics was never quite the same again, all because nobody could agree on what broke 3 men's fall.